What is up, ESY CTE 2020? By now, you should have received your birdhouse kits, looking something like this, from Mr. Moore or myself at your house. Our next step here is we unbox those kits, take a look at all the supplies that are in there, make sure we have everything, and then we'll begin our assembly process. Take it away, Mr. Moore.
All right, very first step, you need to make sure that you have a clean work area. It's very difficult to work in an area that is chaotic. Do you want to take a picture of... Step one, you have to remove the green plastic. There's really no art to this. Or I can take Once you've taken off the plastic, it's important to lay out your pieces. Each piece is labeled with a letter. F stands for front. R stands for rear. The two S's are your sides. The B stands for the base. This one doesn't have a T on it, but it's a top. You also have a sanding block, a piece of sandpaper, a Phillips head screwdriver, a screw eye, and a bag of screws.
Now, your first assignment is to make your own unboxing video just like ours. Take the information we posted from the videos that Mr. Rankin made about how to post videos on your Chromebook. Post them in the Google Classroom assignments area, which will give you some more information on that, and let us know if you got all of your parts and your tools and supplies. If you need anything, just let us know, and we'll bring out what you need. Let us know if you have any questions. Bye.